let me to start with introducing myself. So I am eyeonchain, and I am a Sleut on chain. So doing investigation on exploits, criminal activity, and this like of stuff. And I mean, introduce actually the main problem of the blockchain. So people thinking the blockchain give them privacy from the beginning, like using checks, and so open a wallet funded with checks, and so for them that it means is the normal standard process for embark on the blockchain. But from the beginning, the blockchain was created with the promise of restoring sovereignty to individual through radical transparency, and at the same that same transparency, original future has quite become one of the biggest vulnerabilities, and people doesn't understood what it means doing a lot of transactions, interaction with apps, minting NFTs, and all type of action you can do on the blockchain. So let's start to the transparency paradox. Let me put the slide. So in this presentation, I will explain what is the main character will be broke the blockchain. Sorry, guys. What will broke the privacy on the blockchain? So the on-chain surveillance. At the moment, we can do a lot of things on the blockchain. So we can do a lot of type of action, and people, after doing every single action, they don't think about these all these events will be storage and will remain like a digital footprint on the blockchain, and everyone can check that, analyze that, and do some research for find some information related to the individual or the entity. So let's take an example. Like people, they love use a ENS name or use NFT like as a PFP on X, or maybe use the new era of Web3 social platform like Farcaster, the bank, and and etc. Other things like to do participating to airdrop giveaway, and so publish them address on X, or maybe just connected to a list where you can view if your wallet is eligible to their airdrop, and constantly using the same dApps and the same protocols, and all of this type of interaction, they leaving some common information. And how we can block it? So we very simple things via OSINT. So I think is the main weapon people can use for track an individual or entity. Just using like a trace, this type of interaction I mentioned before, and it's very easy. You don't need any type of big skills like to be a tech guy or like a hacker or something like that, but just using on-chain traces and you can reveal the whole history did the individual behind the wallet. So um, most of the time, I think the the main things I have used it for track criminals and exploiter. It was the ENS name, so people they love to use it for everything. So it made someone mint INS name and at the same time using the same username for personal his personal social media accounts. It's very easy track it with only using a different combination Google darking. So just searching on Google, and you can find everything related to that guy or other things. It's very enthusiast about his NFT collection. Maybe is I don't know, part of community of Bored Ape or CryptoPunks, maybe Milady. So you can use the NFT for track or the wallet or maybe directly with Google via the search page. You can find all the sources using the same PFP, and so that's very big damage. So people literally doxed themselves with leaving encrypted this type of information. Uh, Other very practice most used from the user on the blockchain. So it's to share them address publicly on under tweet for participating giveaway, airdrop, and this like stuff. And the last things I think very damage for people is like using the bank because they introduce the part of social media, so you can share all type of content you want. So, also like or like Farcaster, the same things. It's very easy find the entity behind the wallet because you can share your Discord account, your X account with connected with the bank or other social media platform on which most using. So that is the I already said that. So, but we can talk about other things. So from this digital footprint like DNS, NFT, and social media platform, you can track the entity behind just using other techniques most used on the OSINT performance. Like you can cross-check the information you have extracted from that type of interaction. Using data breach, you can find a lot of type of information. So like on crypto happening so many data breach like I don't know, Bitfinex, it was breached. A whole of checks was breached, and just using the username, you can find the name and surname, and you can just try other combination of HOSINT, and via data breach, you can cross-check the information and match it, and for identify the individual or the entity behind it. So it's very easy. There are many providers actually giving the easy access to take easy subscription for check the information in your head. Uh, so I think this is one thing more people thinking are very easy and don't think about what they need to manage them wallets or them action on blockchain. So the OPSEC is the most important things. The people using only one wallet for everything. So let's take an example. a subject meet ENS domain, then starting to do so many transactions using the same dots, post his word everywhere, um, and without using multiple wallets for change his routine on blockchain. So it's very easy in many type of question. I did like minutes for doc someone behind that activity, uh, and the people don't think to use multiple wallets like one for airdrops in a way, and it's like one wallet for him things like for managing his collection NFT. One wallet for trading on DeFi, or maybe using for moving funds to DeFi checks. Uh, so people did the things like standard, so normal. It's very important to take high your OPSEC. The transaction engine, so that is I think it's the pillar of privacy, because most of the time, let's take an example. The cases I'm actually managing for truck exploiters. Uh, it's one of the parameters I'm using for broke the identity of the individual. So most of the time, the exploiter using the same strategy, how they move in the funds, like they found a wallet with a Tornado Cash or a Railgun, then they split the funds for to multiple wallets, and they start to attack the dApps. Let's take an example. Uh, in the case of Arc Digital, Perptex, where I have found the exploiter behind it, just using the timing analysis, where in the same days he did the same transaction, using one vulnerability inside the dApps, and he did a collateral scope attack, and this is a pattern people don't think about. Uh, it's I think the pillar of everything. So you can you can image very easy, just memorizing the timing where he did the transaction and which dApps he used, and so from that you can directly intercept the guy. ZK, I think, is the most important things actually. Is the future for privacy on chain, because there are not other possibility to take it back, like from the beginning. Um, and so the ZK, actually they are using not for privacy on chain, like I want to be um, I don't want to anyone know who is behind my wallet, but actually they are using in the bad way. So there is most projects very cool like Cash, Aztec, and many privacy tools, but they are most of them they are used very badly, like Tornado Cash, Raygun. So I think every single exploiters moves all funds inside Tornado Cash, and it was also very bad because there are many reasons where you can track the transaction using deposited on Tornado Cash, like just using timing analysis. and the size of the amount deposited inside. Um, the bad things it's people like these exploiters um, using this tool for stole phones from people, then take high they trying to take high them privacy, but not all of them. There are most practice to how mix them money, and this is the sympathetic things, because in other one case I got someone found his wallet used for do an exploit. It was funded 24 hours before using a checks. So it was like broke his OPSEC in like 10 minutes. And that is the bad things, because there are not many good motivations from the users using these dApps like Tornado or Railgun for take privacy, because now actually they are all of them sanctioned by the OFAC, and it's not it's not a good reason why you need to take your privacy high. So um, I think project Zcash, Aztec, or just mention privacy pools. They are doing good work actually for um, taking back in a good way the technology zero knowledge. The main important things is to use these protocols in a great way for 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 the real reason, for take care about your OPSEC, your privacy, and don't don't take any type of risk, or de-anonymize yourself very easily. And so I think the blockchain is a freedom for everyone, and there is not a good reason for try to take him from someone, even if he did something of wrong. And the ethic of the zero knowledge is to take privacy for and take care about yourself, for your information, and don't risk any bad situation, like so many KOLs sharing them a PNL or showing them address on X, and for the hand have been so many times where they kidnap this type of people, showing and doxing themselves on social media. It's very badly to see this bad this type of stuff. So I think the use case, the main use case is for don't risk this type of situation, and take care for yourself. So that's it.